In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this 3D map from the 80s TV shows and movies. Please use Eevee with bloom turned on. This is how the scene looks like. Let's create a plane. In edit mode, right-click and type S to subdivide. We can create the same object by using Blender's grid. What if I wanted to select edge loops like this? We can select the loops like this manually, when we have 10 subdivisions, but what if we had 500 subdivisions? There's a feature to select next active, but that doesn't work with loops. I'll show you a way that I discovered myself yesterday. Select the first point, and shift-select the third point. The idea is to select a single vertex or an edge, select next active, and select their loops. But selecting the loop will only work with the edges, not the vertices. This way of selecting the next active edge loop will come in handy in our future projects. I duplicated the plane, and moved the duplicated one slightly above the original one to avoid them getting stacked. In edit mode, randomize the faces. Or we could select random vertices and move them up like this. Then I added a wireframe modifier. The materials were added next. Then I added a ground plane, and moved it down a bit. Then I added a curve circle, and an empty object. Then I reset the camera's location and rotation to 0. Finally, I added 2 constraints to the camera. Please check the Follow Curve option, and click the Animation Path button. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.